For years, eerie sounds near the Mariana Trench puzzled scientists. Some even thought they were alien noises or strange machinery. But now, the mystery is solved. Recent research has revealed that these sounds, known as Biotwangs, are actually produced by Bryde's whales. These whales, which are found in oceans around the world, seem to have developed a unique dialect in the Mariana Trench. Scientists believe these Biotwangs might be a form of communication, like an underwater version of Marco Polo, helping the whales find each other in the deep ocean. This discovery was made possible through advanced technology, including acoustic data and machine learning. While we now know the source, there's still much to uncover about the meaning behind these whale sounds. It's a reminder of just how little we understand about the deep ocean and the creatures that call it home.